trucking, got my chips cashed in. Keep trucking like the Doodah Man, together more or less in line.
Marquis out on Main Street, Chicago, New York, Detroit, and it's all on the same street. A typical city involved in a typical daydream. Hang it up and see what tomorrow brings.
Dallas got a soft machine. Houston, too close to New Orleans. New York got the ways and means and just won't let you be.
Most of the cats that you meet on the street speak of true love. Most of the time they're sitting and crying at home. One of these days they know they gotta get going, out of the door and down to the street all alone.
Trucking, I can barely see. Lately it occurs to me, what a long, strange trip it's been. Gets to wearing thin, it just won't let you be.
You're sick of hanging around and you like to travel. Get tired of traveling, you wanna settle down. I guess I can't revoke your soul for trying.
To me, what a long, strange trip it's been. Trucking, I'm going home. Whoa, whoa, baby, back where I belong.